Adam, we have a couple of questions and I just want you to reiterate it again. Can our old NAFTA form be used for the USMCA form? Can we use that exact form moving forward?
No, you still need to update it. There's language, there's minor language updates. Customs has said they won't accept that form as the actual certification as of July 1st.
And would you suggest that we submit that old NAFTA form and our new USMCA data with all of our shipments for the first few months?
I understand the thought process, but Customs has been really clear that they're not going to accept the form. So maybe from helping whoever your broker is and making sure that you're working, as a partner with your broker to say, hey, these goods did or didn't qualify, or what does this exactly look like? That I could see as a benefit. However, providing it to Customs or another government, you should never be asked for it. And so it really, to me, it's about helping and partnering with your broker, not getting your goods cleared through the government.